Okay guys, this is I just got this like literally 30 minutes ago from my drone tech, and he brought it in for me. Shout out to Nomar Novino. See that? And that Zino 2 Plus. We did open it earlier just to check uh, its contents, but it's still brand new. I haven't really seen the other stuff in it. Just made sure everything's there. There it is. Quick unboxing. So there's this for protection. And there she is. Okay. I have the Zino 2, and unfortunately it fell, but I really enjoyed flying it. The difference that I see, the motors were I think they're larger now, and they're colored black. Same with a gimbal protector. Now it's just clear. Before it was dark. See the camera. Supposed to have a better camera right now. There, your 3-axis gimbal. Then we have these cardboard guys to protect the props. There she is. 2 bars. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So here you have it says the remote control. Still looks the same. It's supposed to have a different transmission signal right now. To get the 9 km plus range. We'll see tomorrow. We'll try to fly it, but right now still looks pretty. Everything looks pretty much the same as the Zino 2. Controller wise, the chassis, the battery is identical. Here we have another box. It says spare parts. So you have your OTG cables, micro USB for charging the controller, screwdriver, full set of spare props, and that's it. Here, let's see what else is here. You have your manual. Right now it's all in Chinese, but I'm guessing everything's just the same as the old one. And I do have from my Zino 2, I have an English manual there. Underneath should have our charger. Wow, it's nice, Argyle. Okay, see, it looks like a cell phone charger or a MacBook charger. Flipped out. At least you have a US plug. And then look look at this. This means you can this is what they're showing on their website. There's a USB. You can charge your controller here, and then you can plug uh, another one there, so you can charge a couple of batteries out at the same time. We'll test that out. How long does it take to charge a battery? Okay, and let's try to power it up. So I have a Samsung S10, so I'll be needing oh be needing the Type C, this one. So this plugs in there just like before. Oh, and I don't have a an SD card yet, but check out that controller. Nice. Well, get a SD card, put it in, and let's see again.